I received a request to show how I convert the encode, the outcode from Ford. So this is how I do it. In this case, I'm using, I really like to use IATA 360 Pro, and this is the reason why. After you get the code like this, all I do is copy the code, and then I switch screens, and I use this calculator. These people, you purchase the tokens just like the calculator Smith, and you'll get the tokens right there. I only have 2, and it looks like there is a problem right now with FDRS and converting the codes and everything, but we're gonna try today. So I already copied the code for this 2025 Bronco. So I go to dashboard and I hit generate a code right there, and then I just paste my code that I got from IATA right there. So you can see I hit generate encode, and it's gonna take 1 token, $35, and this is just a test. I'm not gonna program a key to this Bronco. And then I do generate a code. It's starting to generate. If it works, it will give me the response. If not, it's gonna give me an error. So right now, because system is down, it's saying generation failed, and I guess everybody's having this issue right now. But if you get this calculator for the future, if everything works good, this is super good, because I just switch from screens. Like if I want to use the calculator Smith, I just go here, and this is the website right there, and then I can calculate from them. But if I buy a code, and I paste it here, probably it's the same issue. Its system is down right now. So let's say I generate the code, and with my calculator, and then what I will do, just copy the code that I'm gonna get. I just copy the code, and I just go back to my screen here, and let's say I got the code. I just press yes, and then I paste here the code, and then press OK, and I'm able to program any keys. So this is how I do it, and I will recommend this unit for a lot of different functions, and especially for this. I do a lot of Ford, and it's easy for me just to copy, generate the code, and paste it back, and I'm in and out in less than 10 minutes programming the keys for Ford. And other brands are easy to do, but this is just to show how I convert my codes. And system is down right now. Everybody knows. Thank you for watching. See you next time.